We'll create a new JSP page. Right click on web page, click on new JSP. We'll name it as DB AJAX demo. So a file called DB AJAX demo.jsp will be created in the web folder. Click on finish. We'll create a button. Input type equal to button. On click, let's say load data, and we'll create an empty division. And let's have the division ID as DB data. Let us include jQuery library into the project. Copy the jQuery library. Go to DB AJAX demo. Go to web folder. Paste it here. Let us include the jQuery library into this JSP page. Script source is equal to jQuery -3.3.1.min.js. Close the script tag. Next, we will implement load data JavaScript function, and this function will make an AJAX call using jQuery to the Java servlet, and it will load the table data into this division. Now we are going to write the load data function. Script closing tag. Function load data. Now let's write the AJAX call. The first one is URL colon, within quotes the servlet URL pattern DB AJAX demo. The second one is type. We are going to use post method. The third one is success function of data. So this function will load the data into this division. jQuery of selector, we are going to select hash DB data, that is the ID of this division, dot HTML of data. We will execute this page now. Right click on run file. So hello world, and here is our button, and when I click on the button, load data function will be called. Load data will make an AJAX call to the servlet, and the data returned from the servlet will be loaded into the division DB data. Let's click on this button. Here is the data. Let us examine the HTML code of this page. Right click, inspect. As you can see, the division DB data is here, and the DB data contains the table, and here is your data. And this is your script code. We will examine the servlet file, and the DB connection is not closed. So every time you open a connection, you must close the connection. And by default, the servlet loads the table data. We can add many functionalities to a single servlet, such as insertion, deletion, loading, updation of data, etc. we need not create a separate servlet for each. We may use a request parameter to instruct servlet to do a specific operation. Let us use a request parameter option to carry out a specific operation. If request dot get parameter of within a quotes option, this is a request parameter. If it is equal to null, it means that out.print no option is specified. Else if request dot get parameter of option dot equals, if it's equals, let's say display, we'll execute the display part. Right click, format. So if request dot get parameter option is null, then we print no option is specified. Else if it's display, we execute this code. Else out.print option undefined. Let's execute this, run file, click on OK. So no option is specified. Now I'm going to give option is equal to display, and it shows the data. When I give the option as option display 1 2 3, it says option undefined. Now let us execute the JSP file db ajax demo.jsp, and when we click on this button, it says no option is specified. So we need to pass the option parameter in the jQuery AJAX call. So let us define a variable data string is equal to option equal to display. Let us include the data string in the AJAX call, data colon data string. Now let's run this file. Now when we click on this, we get the data.